Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can make GIF in Photoshop. First, open up a project with a canvas loaded of your preferred dimensions. Select the brush tool and draw different frames on different layers as shown. When done drawing, go to the Windows option and check the timeline window. In the timeline window, select the Create Frame Animation option. Click on the option and a frame will be created. Now, to make a frame of every layer, go to the 3 lines icon as shown and select Make Frames from Layers option. And you see your GIF has been created. You can choose your loop from here. Select it to be forever. Now to export your GIF, go to File, then Export and select Save for Web and click on Save and save it at your desired location and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again soon.